Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautiful property for sale. It is located in the cool parish of Manchester at McKinley Road, Mandeville. Mandeville is the perfect suburban community, quiet, peaceful, and very accommodating. The property can serve as your dream home on 33,455 square feet with a lot of space for gardening and recreational activities and only 40 minutes out of Kingston, Jamaica. The property consists of 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms with an office space, gym, swimming pool, grilling area, generator, and pump house. This property has cherry oak flooring, recessed lights, fireplace, crown moldings, solar system, air condition in the master bedroom with a jacuzzi and standing shower. What more could you ask for? The property is well maintained. Nice green lawns, fruited trees such as pear and guava, to name a few. If this is your dream home, don't wait to call today to view. Make an appointment now. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 720,000 or Jamaican $113.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.